Okay people, I'm doing a video on a water chiller. Here you might find like polystyrene and plastic covers, and it's got nothing missing. Wonder why? Oh dear God, no. I've acquired 4 of these bastards. Take them all apart and fuck around with them. They've all got itty bitty compressors in them, and to be honest I think they're all working. Yep, they are. So, they're all working, no problem. Produce hot and cold. Not anymore. I won't drink from them for fuck's sake. Last time this one was used was... Oh, it's not on that one. Okay, these ones have got dates on them. That one has got the date 2001. And they've been sitting in storage probably round about since then, with water in that filter cartridge, that cooling tank. There's also another tank which goes here, which is for heating water. They all had water in them. They've been sitting for about 8 or 9 years. So yeah, I'm not going to be drinking out of them. But as far as I know, they all work. Let's start them out all up at once. Go on. Turn that off. Turn that on. That's on. Oh shit, I'm plugged short. What's not plugged in? One of these ain't plugged in. Oh, it's one behind me, apparently. This is the one. Let's see if it'll actually trip my breaker, starting all 4 compressors up at once. Righty. We have 4 plugs all turned on. Let's see what happens. Hey, they're going. Hey, it started up. Okay, there's all of them. Jesus. These all have UV lights in them for some reason. This one doesn't have one in it at the moment. This little bastard. That's the UV light. I really shouldn't be here because this thing's all torn apart and it's in a puddle of water which I'm standing in and it's still not good. Anyway, there's a UV light. They've got UV treatment in them. When they're not running, that light will flash like that. This means that won't work. These are working. Now I'm just trying to get this humongously annoying hissing sound as the refrigerant starts to flow through them. Anyways, so do some videos on how one of these works and dismantle. And we are ready. Those 3. These ones here look remotely fine. That one on the end even looks like it's just dirty. These ones here are missing the tops. That one there's missing everything else. Oh fuck, it's a little bit windy. So this one here has got its main controls up here. That's the actual controller. That's its evaporator and coils on the back. The condensers on the back of that. That's what you see on the back of your fridge. Nitty bitty little compressor. I mean, that thing's pathetic. That's its filter. That's the filter element which goes inside of it. These ones here, I mean, you can see all the crap through the back of it. But that's about it. So first thing we're going to do is take all these metal covers off the sides. They're the only thing. I'll be keeping all of them. I've got 2 there already. Well, 8 of them altogether. I'll keep them, save them for the scrap man. And if I've still got them around before he gets here, I'll probably use some of them. All the metal cases will go. What I'm going to be doing is cutting across here. This metal's pretty flimsy, so once you've cut there, I can bend a huge flap out, and I can get the coil and compressor out, everything out, with any luck. Well, actually, it'll all have to be lowered. I have to bring that out so I can slip it down through there. I can get everything out the big hole at the back. That's the plan. I want to get it all out in one piece, keep the gas inside. I'm going to get a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, and using some of these valves, not that big ass air conditioner I had, I'll use some of these and I'll be soldering. I'll be doing a lot of soldering at work next week. Or the week after that I'll be going in and I'll be making a recovery system. I'll be keeping one of these towers, one separate compressor. So one of these things I'm actually have to let the gas out. Probably be this one. Well, actually I might try the one on the end because I don't think that one's actually got any gas in it. So I want to try and save as much gas as possible. So because they've all got these lines here. The only one thing I'll have to actually buy is a refrigerant hose, so I can connect up to it. But that's really it, which is always good. And I can just steal pieces off of the one that I take apart, and there's always plenty of copper pipe. Unfortunately, I cannot get these coils here off of this container because they're all soldered on. That's what that big line there is, that's all solder. So maybe when I take it in, if I can get, I've drained the gas out. This is all, they all run on, what was it? I think it was 134A, I think. Yeah, 134A, the refrigerant in them, so it's not harmful, as it says here. The gas used in this unit does not harm the ozone layer. It doesn't say gas as if GAS, it says GAZ. Gas, all of them. There you go. Oh yeah, that's been pulled off of this one. That has been cut. And the one on here was also cut. You can see the joint. They're all like it. I don't know why. And I'm going to guarantee this one's like it as well. You connect them up and nothing happens. There you go.